For nearly 100 years, this vintage camera has remained forgotten beneath layers of dust, rust, and time. Every scratch and every layer of rust tells the story of a camera that has survived generations, although time has left its mark on every surface. The restoration begins with patience and precision, as decades of dust are gently removed. Every careful movement, every screw is removed with extreme care, because every tiny component plays an important role in bringing this masterpiece back to life. As the lens is carefully separated from the body, the camera reveals the delicate mechanisms that once captured unforgettable moments. Years of stubborn corrosion begin to disappear as the restoration process reaches its most satisfying stage. Slowly but surely, the hidden shine beneath the rust returns. With every burst of clean air, the final traces of dust disappear from places untouched for decades. The dull and faded metal begins to sparkle once again as every polished surface reflects the workshop lights. What once looked beyond repairs. After hours of careful restoration, every component is finally cleaned, polished, and ready to settle. The restoration now enters its precision stage, as every tiny imperfection is carefully removed. With each fresh premium leather completely transforms the appearance of the camera. The worn and cracked exterior is replaced with a beautiful finish that restores its timeless elegance. As every chrome detail begins to shine once again, the camera slowly regains the elegant appearance it proudly displayed nearly a century ago. The lens slowly comes back to life, becoming crystal clear once again and ready to capture beautiful moments just as it did decades ago. The mechanical heart of the camera begins beating once again as every moving part regains its smooth and precise motion after decades of silence. Every restored component returns to its rightful place, proving that patience, precision, and craftsmanship can truly bring history back to life. The restored lens is finally reunited with the camera, giving this forgotten masterpiece the ability to capture light and preserve memories once again. Every button and every control works perfectly once again, showing that true craftsmanship can stand the test of time when restored with care. After countless careful restoration steps, the camera finally reveals its original beauty, shining brighter than it has in generations. The transformation is complete. What was once a forgotten relic covered in rust and dust has become a stunning vintage After countless hours of careful restoration, the camera takes its first mechanical breath. The restored focusing system moves effortlessly once again, proving that precision engineering can survive even after decades of neglect. Every aperture adjustment responds perfectly, allowing the camera to control light, just as its original designers intended many years ago. The world becomes clear once again through the restored viewfinder, bringing back the photographer's window into every unforgettable moment. Every engraved detail proudly returns, reminding us of the remarkable craftsmanship and heritage that this beautiful camera has carried for generations. A handcrafted leather strap completes the classic appearance, preparing the camera to travel through the world once again with elegance and purpose. The final cleaning reveals a level of beauty that had been hidden beneath decades of dust, making the camera look as though time itself has been reversed. Every angle tells the story of an extraordinary transformation, where patience, skill, and dedication have turned a forgotten relic into a timeless masterpiece. For the first time in many decades, the camera captures a new memory, proving that true craftsmanship never loses its purpose. In years, what once appeared to be nothing more than a forgotten piece of history has been completely reborn. Through patience,